Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alrighty. So first things first, I got a new sticker to add to the board. Oh, I got a note too. From Mr. Singing Toad. Might be a little blurry, but come on camera. The focus on this camera is just, I like the camera, but it doesn't focus great. So, I like the fact that the sticker is easy to get out. Some stickers you have to really fight with. Let's see, where we're going to put you at. How about right there. Nice. Alright, also, previously drawn, I'm adding 2 names to the margarine container. It's Bushcraft Rebooted and also Singing Toad going in here. Oh. One came out. Can't have that much stuck to the bag. A little pre-mix. Canteen of choosing. Wow, that was quick. Who dis? We got, oh cool, we got Nature Calls Backpacking. Fellow Washington State native here. And I don't have a sticker for him, unfortunately, so still I will link his channel below so you can go check him out. Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all their information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video is usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget, also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.